I want to share you guys. This is the place and I live. This is the clubhouse, which is I'm here to take my hula hopes. And this now it's Holy Week, and this is the venue. Here is a basketball court. Somebody is have a play the basketball. It's a practice for the junior, senior, and the kids. Somebody is play there. So look at that. It's very good to become exercise because it's the basketball court is have a cover and the rope. So that's it, everybody.